Hello and welcome to my channel. Each year, the town of Frisco, Colorado hosts their spontaneous combustion bonfire and fireworks event. This video was created on February 7th, 2026. This free event is held at the Frisco Marina at the corner of Summit Boulevard, also known as Colorado Highway 9 and Marina Road in the parking lot. Everyone is welcome to attend. Parking at the marina is not available during this event, so it's best to park on surrounding streets or in the high school parking lot. Snacks and beverages, including beer, are available for purchase and raises money for charity. This year, proceeds went to Mile High Behavioral Health. The town collects approximately 300 Christmas trees for the bonfire, which lasts approximately 2 hours, after which there's a fireworks display. This year, there were lots of kids, pets, and adults all out enjoying the clear night. The temperature was in the 40s. I hope you enjoy the show. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment.
That one's good though.